Good morning, students. I am your English teacher in Vittal Matriculation School. Hope you all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Okay, students. Shall we start the class? Okay. Yesterday, what we have seen? We have seen what? My little Pictionary. Then Robinson Crusoe, right? In last class, time for a journey. Time for a journey. The lesson we have to see, right? Then glossaries, match, question and answer. Then arrange the actions of Robinson. Short answers. Then here, yes, let me recall it now. Yes. See glossary. Adventure, risky or unexpected undertaking. Adventure, risky or unexpected undertaking. Explore, travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Explore, travel through an unknown area to learn more about it. Tent, portable canvas shelter. Portable canvas shelter. Tribal, racial, ethnical. Racial, ethnical. Cannibals, humans who eat other humans. Humans who eat other humans. Rebels, people who protest authority. People who protest authority. Frightened, afraid. Frightened, afraid. Then match. Robinson, Robinson, cannibals, Friday, footprint, footprint. Then answer using yes or no and pick sentences from the story to support your answer. First question, was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Was Robinson interested in sea adventures? Yes, Robinson was interested in sea adventures. Did Robinson's ship sink? Yes, Robinson's ship sank because of a great storm. Was Robinson alone in the island? No, Robinson was along with the dog in the island. Fourth question is, did Robinson kill Friday? Did Robinson kill Friday? No, Robinson did not kill Friday. He saved Friday from cannibals. Do cannibals eat people? Yes, cannibals are people who eat the other people. Next, arrange the actions of Robinson of numbering. Numbering from 1 to 10. Let me see the correct order. You have to listen, children, students, okay? First one is sails in the sea. Sails in the sea. And second, finds the shipwreck. Finds the shipwreck. Survives in the shipwreck. Survives in the shipwreck. Fourth one is searches the island. Searches the island. And fifth one, builds a tent, gets food, clothing and tools. Sixth one, sees a footprint. Sees a footprint. Seventh one is saves Friday. Saves Friday. Eighth one is teaches him English. Teaches him English. Ninth one, saves a captain. Saves a captain. And last one is leaves the island. Leaves the island. Short answers. Who is the hero of this story? Robinson Crusoe. Robinson Crusoe is the hero of this story. What was the age of Robinson Crusoe when he left for sea? Robinson Crusoe was 19 years old when he left for the sea. Why did he grow crops? Why did he grow crops? He grew crops to make food. He grew crops to make food. What made what made him frightened? What made him frightened? Robinson saw a footprint and was frightened. Robinson saw a footprint and was frightened. Fifth question. What did Robinson name and the tribe Friday? Why did Robinson name the tribe Friday? Robinson named the tribe Friday as he met him Friday. Robinson named the tribe Friday as he met him Friday. Okay, students, are you all understood this passage? Next, let's build. Let us build. Let us build. Circle the vowel letters. See, A, E, I, O, U. Yes, right. A. What are the vowel letters? A, I, O, E. A, E, I, O, U. U is the letter U. Sounds like consonant as in university. Letter U sounds like consonant as in university. Then circle the consonant letters. Here see, we have to circle the 4 and 5 letters are there. It is the vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. Except these letters, all of them it's a consonant. See, P, R, L, J, S, K, Y, D, Q. All letter is the consonant letter. We divided the words to pronounce them easier. We divided the words to pronounce them easier. Here are some tips to divide. Here are some tips to divide. If there is only one vowel, we cannot divide. We cannot divide, like cat. Cat, C-A-T, cat. So it have only one vowel, so we cannot divide. See, dog, O is the vowel letter, right? So it is also we can't divide. Then fox, then mud, M-U-D, mud, right? Then pan, P-A-N, pan, A. It is the vowel letters with only one vowel, the simple word, right? So we cannot divide these type of words. Then if the middle consonants are double, we divided in between the double. See, if the middle consonants are double, see, rabbit, BB, double consonant is there, right? RABBIT, rabbit have a double consonant. So we have to divided in between the double. Yes, students, are you all understood? In this word, rabbit, the consonant B in the middle is doubled. Double means 1 and 2. It have a 2B, right? So we divided the double B as rab/bit. Rabbit. Like that, for example, See, puppet. P-U-P. It have a two consonant letters, right? So we have to divide it in between the double. P-U-P slash P-E-T. Puppet. Next, button. B-U-T. But slash T-O-N. Ton. Button. Rubber. R-U-B. Rub slash B-E-R. Rubber. Kitten. K-I-T slash T-E-N. Ten. Kitten. Kitten. It is very useful to learn more words with correct pronunciation. Okay, correct pronunciation. So it is very useful to us. Okay, you have to practice well about this letters. Then if there is a consonant between the two vowels, see, two vowels. Here what we have seen, two consonants. If the middle is consonants are double, right? Here what we have seen, two vowels, then divided after the first vowel. See, if there is a consonant between the two vowels, then divided after the first vowel. In this word tiger, the consonant G, yes, G is the consonant, right, is between the vowels I, is between. T also the consonant word, T and G is the consonant word. It have in between I is the vowel letter, right? So T and G is the consonant letter, I is the vowel letter. So in between the vowel letter we have to slash. C and E. So we divide after first vowel as Ti. Here see, first vowel is I, right? And second vowel is E. So we have to first vowel, then we have to put a slash. Tiger, T-I slash G-E-R, tiger. Like that. Fever. Next, for example, fever and radar, fever, E. E is the vowel, right? Vowel letter, and A is the vowel letter. So we have to divide at the first vowel, right? Fever. F-E slash V-E-R. Fever. Then radar. R-A-D-A-R. Radar. Students, are you all understood? It is called as the cat. For example, right? Cat, rabbit, tiger, letters. Then fourth one is, see, if a word ends with LE, if a word ends with LE preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. If a word ends with LE preceded by a consonant, we divide before that consonant sound. Turtle. See, turtle. Here the word turtle ends with LE. It ends with LE, right? Followed by the consonant T. So we divided the word before the consonant. So before the consonant as turtle. T-U-R, slash T-L-E, turtle. For example, handle. See, L-E, it before the D is the consonant. So we have to put slash in before the consonant word, right? L-E, L-E. C is the consonant word and B is the consonant word. So we have to put a slash mark before the C, consonant letter, okay. Then A, divide the words that have same pattern as the rabbit. Divide the words that have same pattern as the rabbit. Here see what we have seen in rabbit. We divided the two consonant, I mean double consonant. We have to put a slash on in between the double consonant letter, right? So we have to here like to do. A dog, no. Button, right? B-U-T, but T-O-N, button. Sunset, no, it is not a rabbit pattern. Then sky blue, this is also the not rabbit pattern. Then kitten, see, K-I-T-T-E-N, kitten. Divided the words that have same pattern as the rabbit, like button and kitten is the rabbit pattern. So B-U-T slash T-O-N, button, and kitten, K-I-T slash T-E-N, kitten. It is the pattern as the rabbit. And another, these four words are not in the rabbit pattern. Okay. Then write the word under the correct group and divide it. Write the word under the correct group and divide it. We have to, here they give so many words to us. We have to first find the correct group and we have to write with divided. First, what we have seen? First, let me read. Muffin, purple, raven, cow, dinner, marble, man, tennis, dog, sample, recent, hotel, table, hammer, boy. Right. Again, muffin, purple, raven, cow, dinner, marble, man, tennis, dog, sample, reason, hotel, table, hammer, boy. Yes. See? First, cat, rabbit, tiger and turtle, right? We have to cat pattern, rabbit pattern, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit pattern, and tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger, and turtle, T-U-R-T-L-E, turtle, C R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, and cat, C-A-T, cat. Yes, we have to find the word. We have to match here, right? First, muffin. Muffin is the rabbit pattern, right? It have a two consonant, double consonant. So we have to write here rabbit pattern, muffin, M-U-F, and divide it, right? So we have to put a slash, then F-I-N, muffin. Then purple, see, L-E, right? It have a last, the word have L-E at the end of the word. So we have to write purple, P-U-R slash P-L-E, purple. Then raven, it is have a tiger pattern, right? See, in this word tiger, the consonant G is between, right? Between the vowel letter. So we have to slash first vowel letter. Turtle, raven, R-A-V-E-N, raven. So where we have put a here, Craven. Then what is the word? Cow. It is the cat pattern. Cow. Then dinner. It have a double N. So DIN/NER. Dinner. Marble. Last word. Last two letter. It's LE. So we have to write here MAR/BLE. Marble. Then man. Man is the single vowel letter, right? So we have to write it cat pattern. Man. Then tennis. It have two consonants, double consonants. So where we have write in rabbit pattern. Tennis. TEN/NEIS. Tennis. Then dog. Dog is the cat pattern, right? So DOG. Dog. Then sample. Have last two letter LE. So turtle pattern. So SAM/PLE, because LE and the consonant is before that, right? So it is the turtle pattern. Then reasoned. Where reason? It is the tiger pattern, right? E is the vowel letter and also E is the vowel letter. So in between reasoned. RE, where we have to put a tight slash here. Yes, reasoned. Then hotel. Hotel is also the O and E is the vowel letter, right? So HO/TEL. Hotel. Then table. Table. It have last two letter LE, right? So it is the turtle. TA/BLE. Same, right? Then hammer. It have double consonant, so it is the rabbit pattern. HAM/MER. Hammer. Then boy. Boy is the cat pattern, right? It is the single vowel sound letter. So we have to find all the pattern word here, right? So see, cat pattern. What is the cat? What are the words in cat pattern? Cow, man, dog and boy. And rabbit pattern? Muffin, dinner, tennis, hammer. And tiger pattern? Raven, reason, hotel. And turtle? Purple, marble, sample and table. Yes. Next, let me sing the let us sing. Next, let us sing. See, that poem name is A Voyage. A Voyage. The poem name is A Voyage. Let me read the poem lines. Let me read the poem lines. The horse and the tiger. The horse and the tiger. The ape and the goat. The ape and the goat. Decided one morning to hire a boat. To hire a boat. The horse and the tiger, the ape. Here see the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat. To hire a boat. The four animals are decided on the morning to hire a boat. Next stanza. to leave their own country, to leave their own country and find a new one. Very much in the manner, very much in the manner Columbus had done. Columbus had done. Very much in the manner Columbus had done. The four animals are leave from their own country and find a new one. Very much the Columbus had done in this poem in very good manner. Then the boat, third stanza is the boat went a sailing away and away. It sailed and they sailed for a night and a day. Night and a day. Then when all of a sudden, when all of a sudden there blew a great gale. Great gale. The horse was a tremble. The horse was a tremble. The tiger grew pale. The tiger grew pale. The ape and the goat nearly fainted together, but the boat went a sailing in spite of bad weather, as sailing it goes to a wonderful country which nobody knows, to a wonderful country which nobody knows. And last answer is the horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one as Columbus had done. See, finally the horse, tiger, ape and horse find a new one. It is wonderful country for their See, let me explain this poem. In this poem there were four friends. In this poem there were four friends: a horse, a tiger, an ape and goat. See, there were four friends. They wanted to find a new place like Columbus discovered a new land. They wanted to find a new place like Columbus discovered a new land. So they decided to hire boat to sail. So they decided to hire a boat to sail. They sailed for a day. They sailed for a day and a night. They sailed for a day and a night. Suddenly there was a rough wind. It made the horse to tremble and the tiger's face became pale. It made the horse to tremble and the tiger's face became pale. The ape and the goat lost their consciousness. The boat kept on sailing in spite of the strong wind. The boats kept on sailing in spite of the strong wind. It was sailing and at last found a wonderful country which no one knew. The poet concludes by saying that they had also found a new land like Columbus did. Finally, the poet concludes by saying that they had also found a new land like Columbus did. Okay, students, let me see the rhyming words. Okay, what is the meaning of rhyming words? It ends with same sound. See, here no rhyming words is there, right? See, goat, boat. Goat, boat in first stanza, and then one, done is the second stanza, and third, away and day is the third stanza rhyming words, and fourth stanza, see, gale, pale, and for fifth stanza, together together and weather, then goes and knows, then one one done. Yes, let me read the poem lines again. A voyage. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat decided one morning to hire a boat to leave their own country and find a new one, very much in a manner Columbus had done. The boat went a sailing away and away. It sailed and they sailed for a night and a day. When all of a sudden there blew a great gale, the horse was a tremble and the tiger grew pale. The ape and the goat nearly fainted together, but the boat went a sailing in spite of bad weather. A sailing it goes to a wonderful country which nobody knows. The horse and the tiger, the ape and the goat has found a new one, as Columbus had done. Okay, students, let me stop here this lesson, and we have to continue in the next class. Okay, students, those who are not paid your school fees, you have to kindly paid your school fees and bring your notebooks. Okay, students, thank you. Keep safe at your home. Thank you, students.